So before this beautiful Model R goes out, I just wanted to quickly share the setup with you. This is kind of fully loaded Model R. This customer's chosen the sport fenders, really light and functional. Also with the beautiful basket on the front, integrated lights. Also chose to have the suspension seat post. The sun twist suspension seat post is really good. If you're over 5'8", you can add that to your bike. Also got the MIK back rack with the integrated light, backlight, and of course you can, this is a nice click system where you can add saddlebags and utility bags, crates, etc. He actually chose to set up his bike with the direct drivetrain setup, but you can, if you wanted to get 7 speeds, we can obviously add that, but with a 26 amp controller inside, the battery, the 48 volt battery snuck on the down tube, you can deliver up to 1,250 watts of power through this motor, and that's normally enough to last 99.9% of all the terrain. But if you want mechanical gears, that's great, we can add those. Also, it comes with the colorful digital display with a USB charging port. He chose to have the anti-theft alarm system with the 2 remotes. So these grips are the leather, hand-stitched leather grips. And we are big firm believers in making sure that we have 2 locking mechanisms on either side of the grips. So over time, these grips don't slide and jam up your throttle. And we also only believe in a thumb throttle, and we never have a twist throttle on a bicycle, because often what you do is you're getting on and off your bike, and if you're pushing your bike, you accidentally turn. When you're trying to get through people, you twist and then the bike will just take off. Or when you're going over a curb and you're lifting up the bike, you can twist the throttle. So we want to keep your hands fully engaged on the grips, and then you can also quite easily grab your brakes. So thumb throttle, really nice. You do have cruise control if you're going for longer periods, and you also have walk mode, and there's a whole bunch of cool functions on this upgraded colorful display. So the customer's also got our standard seat, which is a really nice comfortable seat with the reflective logo on the back, and the tires on here are beautiful tires. We've actually took the best tires in the world, the Continental tires, which we offer on our other bikes, and then we took all that technology, we designed our own tire. We call it the Reimann Tire, and in fact we brand it ourselves, and it's got significant I made a video on it. I cut up the tire and I showed the puncture resistance and the thicker rubber. It is a slightly heavier tire, but it's for trails and for cruising, so it's a really all-rounded tire. It's on the double wall rims here from Jet Set, which is a really good make of rims. And then of course we build all our own wheels here in-house with the stainless rust resistant spokes and brass nipples, and all the rust resistant, everything on this bike is rust resistant, including the hardware, including the chain, including the spokes. So no worrying about rust, because over time, especially on the electric bike, you want that bike to be sturdy, strong, stable, and reliable. And that goes for the integrated bearings on the headset and the bottom bracket. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this bike before it went out. Really beautiful Model R. Design your own online, and of course we pack it and ship it fully built.